vault has 2 security routers protecting it, and you need to shut them both down. Easily done if you patch me into them directly. Look for them mounted on the walls.
No fucking smiling for cameras.
I really need you to hack me into those security boxes.
What's the civvies for fuck's sake?